Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use QuickBooks for handyman business. So here, the very first thing you should do is you just have to sign up for an account. Okay, and then after that, you just have to set your industry type to something like handyman services, and if you cannot find that option, you just have to select the other and you just have to save it. Okay, so now the next thing that we are going to do here is to go to the sales section because we are going to create a new product and services. Okay, so click on product and services, and then you just have to click on new. So for the services, you can add something like faucet installation, door repair, minor electrical fixes, painting, general labor. You can also add items like screws, wood, paint, or if you want supply materials, just have to input everything right here. Okay, so you also need to put your price or your rate for this one. After that, you just have to save and close the section. Next is to add customers. So just go to the sales again and click on the customers, and then you just have to click on the new customer option. Okay, this one. Okay, so this one is useful for keeping track of repeat clients, address history, and outstanding payments. So you just have to input right here the information of your new customer. Okay, so just make sure that everything is correct. Next is we are going to create a project for larger jobs. So just have to enable the projects under the settings in advance. Okay, so for example, we are going to name this one as bathroom repair. Just go to the projects and create new projects. So I'm going to rename this one as bathroom repair. Okay, and then you can also label this one using the family name. Okay, then you just have to assign the customer and track labor, materials, and the time under this project. Okay, you can also set the start date and then the end date. The next one is to send the estimates and invoices. So to do that, you just have to go to the estimates, click on this new option at the top left of your screen. Okay, so let me just check another details right here. So again, here we also have the transaction, time activity, project reports, project details, and attachment. Now go to the new option at the top left of your screen. That's right, and then click on the estimate. So here, list the services and send it for approval. So for the invoice, you just have to convert the estimate or go to the new and then go to the invoice and then just have to attach the customer or the project. Okay, so here I'm just going to select all of the options. Okay, so for the category, you just have to select here the category for this one as well. Next thing that you should do is to record the payments. So to do that, go to the new section again and then click on the receive payment. Okay, click on this new option at the top left and then click on receive payment, and then you just have to match with invoices. So QuickBooks also lets you send a payment link, so this one is optional if you activate the QuickBooks payment. Okay, then after finalizing your payments right here, you just have to run your reports. So to do that, we have useful reports include the profit and loss by project, unpaid invoices, time costing summary, and the expenses by vendor. So to check that, just go here to the report section. Okay, and then here we have the standard reports, the custom reports, and then the management reports. Here, let's click on the profit and loss for this month, and you'll be able to see here now the full details. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.